Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic invitation writing. In my previous video, I told you about the definition of invitation writing. In that video, I told you about invitations are of two types, formal and informal invitation. In that video, I also told you about the structure of informal invitation. In that video, I told you about formal invitation. We can divide into two parts, formal printed and formal not printed. In that video, I also told you about the structure of formal not printed invitation. Now in today's video, I am going to tell you about the structure of formal printed invitation. What is the structure of formal printed invitation? Structure of formal printed invitation. First of all, you should mention name of the host in middle part of the page. After that, you should mention occasion. After occasion, you should mention details. After details, you should mention contact details. Okay, after that you should make a box. This is the structure of formal printed invitation. First of all, you should mention name of the host with black pen. After that you should mention occasion. After that you should mention details. After that you should mention contact details. You should follow these points when you will write formal printed invitation. To understand the structure in a better way, now I am going to write a question which is based on formal printed invitation. Look at the board. You are Rahul Yadav, son of Mr. Rohit Yadav. Your sister is going to marry with Naman, son of Mr. S.K. Yadav, Rewadi. Okay. Your father wants you to draft a formal printed invitation. To draft a formal printed invitation to invite the relatives and friends. Draft an invitation. Okay, this is the question. First of all, you should read the question in a proper way. You are Rahul Yadav, son of Mr. Rohit Yadav. Your sister Rama is going to marry with Naman, son of Mr. S.K. Yadav, Rewadi. Your father wants you to draft a formal printed invitation to invite the relatives and friends. Draft an invitation. This is the question. Now I am going to explain this question. I am going to write the answer of this invitation. Okay, look at the board. Now I am going to draft a formal printed invitation. Look at the board. Okay. First of all, according to the structure of formal printed invitation, you should mention name of the host. Who is the host of this question? Rohit Yadav. That's why we should write name of the host in that way. Mr. and Mrs. Rohit Yadav with black pen. Okay, after that we should write invitation in that way. Request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the marriage. You should mention occasion in capital with the black pen. Marriage of their daughter Rama with Naman. You should mention the specific details in capital with the black pen. Okay. Son of Mr. S.K. Yadav Reward. Okay. On Friday 17th July 2020 at Raja Marriage Place, Mahendragarh. You can write here at their residence. If there is no place is given where the function will be organized, then you can write any name. Okay. At Raja Marriage Place, Mahendragarh. After that, you should leave one line between content and RSVP. You should mention RSVP in capital form with black pen. What is the full form of RSVP? RSVP is a French phrase. In French, you can say RSVP is Réponse Cell OS plate. But in English, what is the meaning of RSVP? What is the meaning of response if you please? Okay. What is the full form of RSVP? RSVP is a French word. In French, we can say that réponse cell voice plate. In English, response if you please. Okay. After RSVP, you should mention name of the writer who drafted the invitation. According to the question, Rahul Yadav. After that, you should mention phone number. If phone number is not given in the question, then you can write any phone number. If any phone number is given in the question, then you should write the same number which is given in the question. From the right side of the page, you should mention with best compliments from all relatives and friends. After that, we should make a box. Okay. According to the structure of formal printed invitation, we should draft formal printed invitation. First of all, we should mention name of the host. Okay. After that, we should mention occasion. After occasion, we should mention details. After details, we should mention contact details. Okay. You should follow all rules regarding formal printed invitation when you will draft formal printed invitation. Okay. If you want to understand it in a better way, then you can take screenshot of it Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.